Did you know that you can open the control center just by tapping the back of your iPhone? Thanks to the back tap feature, a double or triple tap on the back of your phone is enough to quickly access important functions. No swiping or searching required. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up so that the control center opens as soon as you double or triple tap the back of your iPhone. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a new tutorial I upload. So, the first thing you need to do is open the Settings app on your device. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit and find the Accessibility section, then tap on it. Inside the Accessibility menu, scroll down again until you reach the Physical and Motor section. There, find the Touch option and tap on it. On the Touch Settings page, you'll see a bunch of different options. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and there you'll see the Back Tap option. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you've done that, you'll see two options, double tap and triple tap. If you want to open the control center by double tapping the back of your device, choose double tap. If you'd rather open it with a triple tap, then select triple tap. I'll choose double tap. After selecting it, you'll now see a list of actions that you can assign to that tap. Look for the control center option, then simply tap on it to select it. Once you've done that, let's try it out. Just double tap or triple tap the back of your phone, depending on the option you selected, and you'll see the control center pop up. Pretty useful, right? And that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.